Hello children, it's lovely to have this opportunity to share this week's home learning with you all. I just want to say first of all that we're all really missing all of you and being at school together and sharing our learning. We hope that your families are well and that you're all looking after each other. Now, this week's home learning we're going to continue to look at explorers. Last week you did some learning all about Neil Armstrong, and this week we're going to have a look at another explorer. I've got some clues, but I don't want to give too much away because I want you to find out for yourselves. So, clue number one is a penguin. I've got a book all about penguins called Penguins Can't Fly, and the third clue is some ice. So you might already have an idea about what we're going to be learning. When you log on to your laptops, you'll be able to see the home learning that looks like this that I've got open up on my laptop here. And I'm just going to read a short part of this week's text. Robert Falcon Scott was a famous Antarctic explorer. He led 2 expeditions to Antarctica. He wanted to be the first person to reach the South Pole. For many, many years, no humans had ever been to Antarctica because it is so cold and it is very difficult to survive there. Just over 100 years ago, Robert Falcon Scott decided to explore it. So, you'll be able to read the text for yourselves at home, and there's a second text which is all about the animals and the conditions in Antarctica, and there's some questions for you to have a go at answering. Don't forget to use your scanning skills to look for keywords to help you answer the questions. There's also some writing opportunities and a fun word search. Now I know a lot of you have been having a go at the online My Maths learning opportunities, and our maths focus this week is multiplication. So let's just have a look at a couple examples together. So, counting twos to calculate how many eyes there are. So count how many eyes all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 eyes in total and 4 lots of 2. And 4 times 2 equals 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. You can work through those examples on there using that strategy. If we look at this one here, how many petals altogether? Count the petals on each flower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many flowers in total? There are 4, so it's 4 lots of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. And you can write that as a calculation. 4 times 5 equals 20. There's also lots of other learning opportunities on this week's home learning for you, all linked to our different areas of our curriculum to do with Antarctica and this week's explorer. And I just want to share with you a couple of new exciting online learning opportunities. The first one is the Oak National Academy, and this is an online classroom where you can access with your grown-ups daily lessons for Year 2 children. So you'll be able to use and practice all of your skills to have a go at that. The second one is BBC Bitesize. Now I know that you're all familiar with using this in school, but as of Monday they launched a new set of learning opportunities, and again there are daily lessons for Year 2 children, so I'm sure you'll all have fun exploring those and explaining to your grown-ups all the different learning strategies that we've been practicing in school. So just before I go, I'd just like to remind all of you to keep safe and to tell you that we're all missing you. That's myself, Mrs. McCardle and Miss Miller and all the staff at Manor. We think about you all the time and we can't wait till we're all back together, which again will be soon, hopefully. Stay safe.